Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about variables, the most important concept in programming. In my channel, I am taking a concept and explaining it in three popular programming languages: JavaScript, Java, and Python. If you want to learn backend and frontend languages in a single video, please subscribe my channel. First, see what is a variable before diving deep into the programming language. What is a variable? A variable is a name used to store data in memory. There are some rules for naming the variables. It may start with a letter or underscore. It cannot start with a number. If you declare a variable starting with a number like a file name, then it will give error. The variable can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Variables are case sensitive, so age and age with capital A are treated as different variables in programming languages. Important role of the variable. Variables play an important role in scope and memory allocation. They determine where data can be accessed in a program and how memory is assigned and used. We will see about scope and memory of the variable in upcoming videos. In Python, variables are very simple. You don't declare a type, you just assign a value like x equal to 10, name equal to Alex. You can do multiple assignment in Python like x equal to y and x comma y equal to 1 comma 2. If you print this, then you will get x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Python can even change the type of the variable. First, you can declare as a number and then you can change to the string. No error. Python just adapts. Python doesn't really separate a data type as primitive and non-primitive. Int, float, bool, string are built-in basic types. List, tuple, set, dictionary are built-in object types. In Python, everything is treated as an object, not strict primitive category like Java or JavaScript. In JavaScript, we must use keywords to declare variables. Let, const, or var. What is the difference? If you declare a variable as const, then the value cannot be changed. If it is declared using let, then the value can be changed. Var, it is the older and generally avoided one. Here I declared a variable name with the var keyword, but I am printing it even before the declaration. Do you know what it will get printed? If you know the answer, then comment it down. Let's see by running this program. Node variable.js undefined. So undefined value, it printed undefined. What will happen if I remove the var keyword? Let's run this program again. I am getting reference error as name is not defined. JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. In JavaScript, you can even change the type of the variable. So I declare the variable name with let keyword and assign number 5 to the variable. Then I am reassigning a string value to the same variable. So it is accepted in JavaScript. It won't show any error. Multiple assignment. In Python, we did like x comma y equal to 1 comma 2. So Python take first value for the x variable and second value to the y variable. But here, if you do like that, then you will get error. Let's run this. So we are getting syntax error, unexpected number. So in JavaScript, you have to declare like, I'm going to comment this one. In JavaScript, you have to declare like let x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. This is how you have to do multiple assignment in JavaScript. In JavaScript, we have primitive and non-primitive data types. Number, string, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, big int are primitive data type in JavaScript. We can store value directly using this data type. Non-primitive data types, object, array, and function are non-primitive data types. We can store value by reference and can hold complex data. In Java, you must declare the type of the variable before using it. Java is more stricter than Python and JavaScript. You have to declare the data type while assigning a value to the variable. So we have data type as integer, double, string, and boolean in Java. Once you declare the variable as integer, it will accept only the number. You cannot reassign a string value to the variable num because it is of data type integer. Java is a strict, but this strictness prevents bugs early. In Java, we have primitive and non-primitive data types. Int, float, double, char, boolean, byte, short, long are primitive data types in Java. Using a primitive data types, you can store actual values directly in the variable. Non-primitive data types are string, arrays, classes, and interfaces. Using non-primitive types, you can store references to objects. I am posting simple and easy comparisons of programming concepts in Python, JavaScript, and Java to help you learn faster. If you would like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you want me to cover, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.